In this video, I am going to show you how I made $20,000 profit on the $400,000 phase 2 challenge account from the Funded Trader program in only 1 day and 6 hours. But before we do that, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be notified when I will upload more videos like this in the future. So as a proof, here is my account balance, $420,000, and I only took 3 trades to make $20,000 in only 1.5 days. Here is the account dashboard of the just completed $400,000 phase 2 account. Now it is saying that the account status is in progress because of this active trading days requirement that I still have to meet. I now have to take micro lots for at least 3 coming days to meet this objective before I get a $400,000 funded account and before I get the agreement to sign from the Funded Trader program. Now the first trade that I did, it was a break even. I took a sell on Euro Pound, but I ended up closing that trade at a break even and I could not make any money from that trade. The next trade that I did, it was on the gold sell, and these are the 3 positions that I did. And this was my entry price from where I took the sell. I exited at here and here was my stop loss. I made around $11,500 from this gold trade, this short position that I took on the gold from 15-minute time frame. And the next trade that I did, it made me around $8,500 and I took that trade on the USD Swiss franc for the buy side. This was the area from where I took the entry to the upside. You can see the moment we broke this level of resistance, I ended up taking a buy position. I placed my stop loss lower than the recent move low and my target at the area from where I was expecting a reaction. So this trade hit my take profit around couple of hours ago and I made total $8,500 from this trade, and you can see my account equity is now sitting at $420,000 and it's been 1 day 8 hours total since I first took the trade and I did not even lose any single position. My winning rate to pass the phase 2 is 100% and I still have more than 58 days time that was given to me from the Funded Trader program to make this $20,000 profit. Now let me show you the phase 1 account as well. Here is the phase 1 that I did recently. It took me around 23 days to actually pass the phase 1. I had to make $40,000 profit on the phase 1 of the $400,000 challenge, and this is how my account equity curve looks like. It was a very nice way to make $40,000 in the required time, and it says that my account status is upgraded because I upgraded from phase 1 to phase 2. If you want to learn how I pass my challenges every single time, simply just go to falcontradingacademy.com, link in description, and join the training program named as Forex Masterclass from the website. Everything that I use to take the trades, to place stop loss, the risk management, the psychology, I have added inside the Forex Masterclass course, and it comes with 180 days money back guarantee. After learning the strategies that I share inside the course and after implementing those strategies on the demo account, if you are not profitable, you can simply ask for your money back, and that is why I gave the 180 days money back guarantee, because I am very confident in my teaching. I am very confident in my trading style because I know if it can work for me, it can work for you as well. You just need the right mindset, you just need the right path, and you need to have the discipline to be a profitable Forex trader. I also made the video on me completing the $400,000 evaluation. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch on my YouTube channel. This is the video that I'm talking about, the Funded Trader 400k challenge completed in 23 days. I have talked about a lot of great stuff in this video. Now coming back to the trades that I took, why I entered for the sell side on gold. It was very simple, and it is what I teach inside my Forex Masterclass. On 1 hour time frame, we have a very big movement. The huge movement from the past few weeks, we have been making lower lows and lower highs. And right after we came towards that level, this low that we created after the big movement on daily time frame, here is the low that I am talking about. The moment when we came to that level on 1 hour time frame, we got a rejection. And we started to go upwards. We started to have a pullback. We were making a miniature pullback after this big impulsive movement. And that is what we always need. After the impulsive movement, we need the correction, we need the pullback so we can buy or we can sell. In this case, I wanted to sell. So on 15-minute time frame, I knew that we have reacted from that level of lower low, but it does not mean that we will simply just go to the upside and we will start creating higher highs and higher lows. The market never moves in one way forever. So I knew that if we are getting a rejection at this area, the pullback is going to happen. And if we are unable to cross this level, let me put a line here. If we are unable to cross this line, the support level that we created to go down, and we made this impulsive movement to break that level of support, that means we will continue to go down. So what happened that on 15-minute time frame, we made a first movement from here to here, then sellers came down. We made a second movement, sellers got rejected at that support level that we broke. Buyers tried again to go higher than that, they failed and sellers made a strong movement. The moment we made a strong movement, I just started to wait for the right time to take the entry. Now this movement that happened, it happened during the Asian session and I do not trade the Asian session. So I waited until the London opened, and when the London market got opened, we were here somewhere and I started to wait to get a better price because the market was moving very fast at that time. So I just waited to get a better price. The moment we retested this level of support that we broke after this big movement on 15-minute time frame, the moment we retested that level, I took the sell. I placed my stop loss above the area from where the strong movement for the sell started on 15-minute time frame, and I did not place any take profit at the start because I was expecting the market to break this level of support. I had two plans. If we are going to break this level of support, then obviously I will let my winner run. I will let this trade perform until it makes me a huge amount of profit. Or if we come to this level with a lot of struggling movement like this and we does not break this to the downside and we starts getting rejected, then I would have closed my trade somewhere here. But you can see that how well we made a movement to the downside. We just made a huge movement to the downside. We blocked this level of support and it was also the lower low on the daily time frame. We broke this level and we started going down. So I ended up closing my trade at this area right here and I made around 11,500, or which is also 2.75% profit on this trade. So it was a very nice trade and I was very happy with how well I managed my trade. This is also where the trade management comes into play. Now moving on to the next trade that I did on USD Swiss franc, as I was trading the USD strength and I was expecting the market to continue going for the upside for the dollar bulls. So what made me actually take this trade is that we started to make the movement to the upside to create higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, when we could not break this level of support. So when we were making the highs and lows, we made this higher high, market made a pullback, created this higher low. After this higher low, market made a huge movement to the upside. I was thinking to take the buy from here, but I decided to wait until the release of the news event that actually happened yesterday, which then made the dollar bulls to pick up a lot of momentum for the buy side. So when the news got released, this was the movement that we actually got from the market. So I waited until this kind of a movement, and after we got this big movement, we also broke this level of resistance, and the moment we broke it, I knew that now we are going to test at least this level. If not this, then this levels. So I was right. When I entered for the buy side, we actually went higher than this level of resistance, this big level. We made a small pullback, retested it. We then continued to my take profit area. So I made around 8,500 from this trade. So overall, I made $20,000 in only 1 day and 6 hours. Now here I am not trying to show off. I am just showing you, I am just trying to inspire you that if you can put some work, if you are disciplined enough and if you have the right mindset, then you can do anything that you want in your life. If a person like me can pass these prop firm challenges every single time, then you can also do that. So I hope this video was motivational enough for you. If you got any value out of this video, let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to join Forex Masterclass if you are looking to get started in Forex trading, and if you want to use my strategy that I use every single time to pass the prop firm evaluations, and you also want to get funded traders. Link is in description, and do not forget to subscribe if you got any valuable information out of this video. Thank you for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace.